Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the previous video we have seen that how we can add and subtract decimal fractions. Now in this video we are going to solve word problems which are based on decimal fractions. Now students, before starting this I am going to tell you something about the conversions, then how we can convert kilogram into gram, kilometer into meters, meter into centimeters, and centimeter into millimeters, means liters in milliliters. So here are the some conversions. You know very well, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. And 1 liter is also equal to 1000 milliliters, that is ml. Okay, so let's start today's topic here. The question is that Avinash traveled 42 kilometer 365 meters by bus. Means Avinash traveled by bus how much? 42 kilometer and 365 meters. Okay, so we will have to take kilometer before the decimal point and 365 after decimal point. 12 kilometers 460 meters by car, by car, and walked 640 meters only. So here kilometers are not given to you. So let's solve it. First write down 42 kilometer and 365 by bus. So let's solve it. 42 kilometer 365 by bus. Okay, and 12 kilometers 460. 12 kilometer 460 meters. Then by car. Then 640 meters by walked, means walking, by walking. 640 meters. So here kilometers are not given. 640 here. Only meters and kilometer are not given to you. Now add. So how many kilometers did he travel altogether? So we'll have to do addition. So add. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 5. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 4 16. 1 carry. 1 carry. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Again 1 carry. Decimal point as it is. Now 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Then 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 55.465 kilometers. Okay, kilometer. So this is our answer. He traveled 55.465 kilometer. Okay, got it? Now the next example. Here, question number 5. Aisha bought 1.80 meter. Here the numbers are given in decimal form. 1.80 meter of cloth for her salwar, that is bottom, okay, and 2.25 meter for her kurta. If the cloth cost 120 rupees per meter, then how much must she pay the shopkeeper? So first of all we will have to do the addition of these two terms. 1.80 meter for cloth for her salwar and 2.25 meter for her kurta. Okay, so let's solve it. 1.80 for salwar, then 2.25 meters for kurta. So we will have to do the addition. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 0 here, 1 carry. Then 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So our answer is 4.05. So now remaining question. So the cost of 1 meter cloth is 120 rupees. So we'll have to multiply 120 by 4.05. So let's multiply. So we will have to multiply 120 rupees because cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to 120. So here 120 multiplied by 4.05. Okay. So now multiply. So first of all read the table of 5 up to 0. 5 zeros are 0. Okay. Here we can write. Then again 5 twos are 10. 1 carry. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6. Now so whenever we multiply any number by 0 we will get the 0. So there is no need to multiply by 0. So we will multiply directly by 4. So we will put 2 plus signs. 4 zeros are 0. Again 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. So our answer is 48600. So how many rupees she has to pay to the shopkeeper? She has to pay 486 rupees. Decimal point after 2 digit. Okay, 2 digits are there, here 2 digits. So 486 rupees she has to pay to the shopkeeper for buying 1.80 meter cloth for salwar and 2.25 meter for kurta. So this is all about the question number 5. Now next example. Sujata bought a watermelon weighing 4.25 kilogram. Okay, 4.25 kilogram of watermelon. Then and gave 1 kg and 750 grams to the children in her neighborhood. 1 kg and 750. 1 kg 750 in her neighbor. How much of it does she have left? So we will have to do the subtraction over here. So subtract. Here you can put 0 also. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. We can't subtract 7 from 2. So we will borrow from 4. Here 3 left and here 2 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Then again 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then decimal point as it is below the decimal point. So our answer is 2.500 kg. So students, this is all about the word problems on decimal fraction. Now homework. So your homework is the question number 7. Okay, Anita was driving at the speed of 85.6 kilometer. Here kilometer unit is given to you. Okay, per hour. The road had a speed limit of 55 kilometer per hour. 55 kilometer. Okay. Then by how much should she reduce her speed to be within the speed limit? So you will have to do subtraction over here. Try to solve it. If you have any problem, then ask me on your WhatsApp group. This is all about today's topic. In the next video we will see the next topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.